Tell me why your family, especially your kids, will not love you even more when you make something this delicious, guys. Welcome back to Patience Cooking. If you're new here, please subscribe, and to my all returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back. I love you. Today we are making a very simple breakfast recipe, or maybe dinner, lunch, whatever, whichever you prefer. Okay, and I am using these chopsticks to help me cut these hot dogs so that I can get the shape that I want. And then I went further to divide it into two and use like the chopstick to put this together and form a circle for my eggs, you guys. And this was looking good so far and I love it. So I just put a pan on the fire, make sure it was hot, put some oil, and then put the hot dogs in the pan. And when I was done with this, I just went straight to my eggs and separated the eggs white from the egg yolk. And when I was done with that, here our egg yolk were ready, so I just pour it in the circle I already made. And look at how it looks. It was really looking really beautiful and delicious. So I flip the side after 2 minutes of cooking on each side. I flip the side and then flip it again to the other side, and we added some black pepper for the taste. Remember, hot dogs are very salty, so it's not good to put some salt in this. Okay, so I didn't add salt because I felt like it wasn't really necessary. I don't like too much salt sometimes in my food, so yeah. And then I went straight to slice some onions because I wanted to put some red onions in this egg white before I put some little salt and black pepper for the taste. And I put some olive oil again in a hot pan, and then pour in the egg white that I already mixed, and I let this sit on for some time, like 2 minutes. Then I added the bread and flip to the other side. Try to fold the bread in the eggs white inside the egg in the bread, and then make sure that I kind of had this organized a bit more before I let it cook for a bit. It's like toasting your bread while having some eggs in it. It makes it taste even better, you guys. And then I flipped to the other side and it was well toast. I let it stay like 2 minutes. Remember, this is low heat because if your pan is too hot, your bread will be burned and it won't look good, even though it might taste good. Okay, so it is important that you cook this in low heat. And I was done. I divided this into two, and it was time for us to serve and enjoy. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes like this one. Thank you for always supporting me, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.